various situations in life which leads to various disorders. Some disorders are cured while the others become lump in the throat. So how do we get rid of such disorders? Today on Good Life Mantra, we bring you therapies that will drive out the negativities in your life and promote wellness. So let's explore the way to positive physical, mental and social well-being of a person. I'm Vyomha. Welcome to Good Life Mantra. To educate us further on the concept of holistic healing, I have with me Dr. Neelam Kevlani, who is the holistic healer. Hi Neelam, welcome to the show. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Okay, so actually tell us what holistic healing is all about.
So according to WHO, health is a state of physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being of an individual. But usually in daily lives, we just swap up medicine without realizing where the disease is originating from. So in holistic healing, we treat the person as a whole.
Okay.
We do not take medicines. Instead of that, we treat the energy body, the physical body and the mental body.
Okay. So tell us about your experience into holistic, well-being of a person. How long you've been in this, arena?
See, I started my practice as an Ayurvedic practitioner, and I used to get a lot of patients suffering from depression, anxiety, suicidal tendencies, and I found that medicine is not the complete cure in such psychosomatic disorders. It was then that I started looking beyond medicine and explored the world of alternative therapies, and till now I have healed a number of clients suffering from these disorders with Reiki, crystal healing, past life regression. I do hypnotherapy, mind therapy and also aura photography.
Okay, so tell us about the success rate of these alternative therapies that you just made a mention now. How successful are these in curing disorders?
See, we have got miraculous results in psychosomatic disorders. For physical disorders, you need to take medicines. Now, according to mind therapy, every disease starts with a negative thought.
Okay.
So, a negative thought creates a negative emotion. A negative emotion disturbs the energy field, and disturbance in the energy field leads to a physical or a mental disorder.
Okay.
If the disease has already appeared in the physical body, we need to take medicines for that. But if it is still in the auric field, we can treat it through mind therapy and hypnotherapy.
Okay. Well, I would like to ask you one thing, Dr. Neelam, that usually what happens is everyone knows this, that positive behavior, positive thinking is really good for a person. But just that thing doesn't help.
Yeah,
At times, person what happens, he or she wants to think in a positive way, but they end up thinking negative about certain circumstances. So how can how do you help in that way, bringing the
I tell my clients, usually we get many clients having relationship issues and as I told you, suicidal tendencies and depression. I tell my clients that nothing in this world can affect you until and unless you have decided to get affected. So if I am vulnerable to a situation, I'll definitely attract that situation. Now I get many clients who tell me that I want to be successful. Now if a person wants to be successful, he should dream about success, think about success and talk about success. But we don't do that. We talk about the failures, we talk about the hardships we are bearing. So the more we talk about hardships, the more we are attracting hardships in our life.
Okay, so let's move into holistic, healing, holistic therapies. Is this just, what is it all about thoughts, or there are other aspects to holistic healing?
We have Reiki, crystal healing, we do card readings, Feng Shui, Pyra Vastu, mind therapy, aura photography. There's a lot of things that we do, but today I'm here to talk about mind therapy. So mind therapy, as I told you earlier, it basically focuses on the thought patterns of an individual. So we should be very aware of what we are thinking and what we are speaking. And we should think positive so that we attract positive things in our life. And as I gave you the example of the person to get success, we should focus our attention on what we want in life rather than we focus on what we do not want in life. So the more we focus upon negative things, we attract those negative things in our life. So we tell our clients to we give them positive affirmations and tell them to say that positive affirmation 21 times before going to bed. Now in the night time, just before going to bed and when we get up from the bed, we are in semi-hypnotic state. Semi-hypnotic state means whatever we are reading or thinking, that goes directly into the subconscious mind and we start acting over it.
So but physically you're not,
Yeah, once it gets into the subconscious mind, we start doing that in our daily life. So just before sleeping, if a person repeats that I'm safe and secured, I'm healthy, the person starts feeling that he's healthy. Once the mental body is treated, the physical body gets treated on its own.
This was about your thought process, and this was all whatever your thoughts are generated from your mind. But what about physical pains? How does holistic healing help a person in getting away from these pains?
See, pain itself means pay attention in now. That means there is some energy disturbance that's happening in our body that's leading to a physical pain. Okay, like I'll give you an example. Heel pain. Heel pain is associated with the thought process that you're bearing the brunt of a person and you're not able to speak up for yourself. That leads to congestion in the heel and it leads to heel pain.
Okay.
Calf muscles pain is associated with stored emotions. We get a lot of clients who have pain in calf muscles. Their medical reports are perfectly fine and doctor are not able to diagnose what is the reason. And when we take them through therapies and we release the stored emotions of the past, the pain subsides. And during one session itself, in half an hour session, the pain subsides. I got a patient who was having calf muscle pain from 10 years and was quite surprised when we released the pain in half an hour.
Okay, so just half an hour is enough to release the pain?
No, we do these therapies for 7 to 14 days.
Okay, so it's sessions, different sessions.
Yeah, but even in the first therapy, the pain subsides.
Okay.
And then as the person sticks to that positive thought pattern, the pain will not come back.
Okay, and from now moving from pains to diseases, so how does it help?
See, diseases, I told you that every disease starts with a negative thought. So a negative thought creates a negative emotion. Negative emotion creates a congestion in the aura and the chakras, and that leads to physical or mental diseases. Now suppose we take the example of diabetes. Diabetes is associated with congestion in the solar plexus.
Okay.
So the person has the thought that I want to control the situation. Now if you start looking around yourself, diabetic patients, you will see that usually they follow this thought pattern that I want to control everything around myself. And they are actually not able to control the situation. So they have to give up the control and they have to leave it on God. Have a positive thought pattern.
Okay, so Dr. Neelam, apart from diabetes, what are the other diseases that holistic healing cure?
Like sinusitis is related with the thought pattern that a person has a lot of irritation to people around him and irritation to a person very close. So when we release that emotions, we do a lot of therapies like emotional empowerment technique. In that we release the person's emotions.
Okay.
Once the emotions are released, the person understands that he can't control other person's mind. He can only do good for himself and be positive himself.
Okay.
In daily life, usually we try to control other people, and when they can't behave according to ourselves, we get irritated.
Definitely, yeah.
So once we release that irritation, the sinusitis starts subsiding.
It's time for a short break, but be back as we are going to show you how mind therapy and aura photography is carried out. So be back.
शॉप 18 लाया है डिमोंटे 4 पीस कलर्ड सर्विंग बोल सेट। खरीदिए 4 बोल सेट और पाइए 4 बोल सेट एब्सोल्युटली फ्री। स्टेनलेस स्टील से बने इस सेट के हर बोल के ऊपर कलरफुल कोटिंग की गई है। साथ ही इन बोल्स में जंग लगने का भी कोई डर नहीं। तो अपने डाइनिंग टेबल को एक मॉडर्न लुक देने के लिए इस सेट को ऑर्डर कीजिए। Just for ₹1,199. Call for it right now.
Welcome back. You're tuned into our holistic healing special on Good Life Mantra. Before slipping into the break, Dr. Neelam told us about how mind therapy is dominated by thought process. So, Dr. Neelam, you were just telling me about how important chakras are. Yeah. So, can you